My transformer went out on my low voltage lighting, so I figured I'd show you what I'm doing when I replace this. There's a lot of different ways that you can install low voltage wiring. The easiest for just a regular homeowner is you just want to get a transformer, maybe some 12 gauge wiring or some 14 gauge wiring. You can shovel or trench the wiring underneath your mulch in the ground until it gets to the light. You can do a lot of different things. You might need some electrical tape, that kind of stuff. But mainly what I'm doing is I'm setting mine up on the side of the house because the old one went out after, I don't know, probably 15 years. I got a transformer. Now, when you get a transformer, it's going to come in certain types of wattages. I personally don't like to overload, and it's probably, unless you're going to have a lot of lights, you're probably not going to overload them because of the way new LED lights are. So you may get an LED light. It's only going to use about 4 watts, but it's bright enough for, 20 or 40 watt light bulb. So if you get a 200 watt transformer, just make sure that you don't go above, I would say, about 160 watts. And the reason why I say that is because the longer the distance from the transformer, you may lose some wattage. Try to keep your lights at around 20% less. You can do whatever you want, but that's what I do. Mount it near a GFCI outlet. That way, if any kind of wetness or anything happens, it automatically clicks off. When you connect the lights, they have these kind of pins that you can push in, or they have the kind that you can screw. The kind that I have right here, I like these type that you just twist, because you lay your wire in there and you twist the top of it and it punctures into the wiring itself. So those seem to be a little bit better for me anyway. It doesn't matter which side you put the wire on. Most low voltage systems, they're not polarity sensitive, but just make sure it, just in case that you're correct on the polarity. Then just test the system out. Some of these have a photo cell where they automatically come on at dusk. The type that I have here, I set an auto on it. I hit the button, and when dusk comes, it comes on. And then I can set if I want it to stay on an hour after dusk, or if I want it to stay on the full night. However I want to do it, we can do that.
Time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby. It's the right we already know.
What I did is I just kind of figured out where I wanted my lights. I placed them where I wanted them to be, and then I said, wait a minute, let me show everybody what I'm doing here. So just dropping you a quick tip, what I'm doing over here. All right, folks, it's been Delon Jenkins. Thanks.
Time, just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby. It's the right we already know, and we feel it. I really do. I said the truth. We can't go any Mm.